got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I said I changed it up since Circuit Road.
What you let them know what you're running there this time?
4 Sundown UV 115s on the TEMU MD 5K. 4 Rockville Audio 6.5 on the TEMU 440x4.
Yes, sir. You got a wood roof in this thing or something? And it just, you just holding it with this right here?
We played at high volume.
It's keeping it from flex.
It's still flexes, but just it kind of helps sort of.
They ain't even running hot. It's not you can play all day long.
I've got a 390 amp JS alternator.
Doing pretty good.
It's holding right now. It's holding right at.
Oh yeah, you real good. And that song that was probably about 7 minutes, so wasn't it?
And I've got a Headway 48-hour lithium bank.
Yep.
And
that's on the battery you running? On the whole truck?
Besides the one under the hood.
Oh yeah. What's the next show you going to?
Hopefully I'm going to the one in Alabama that they got coming up.
Which one they got? I know they got HS Power this weekend. Yeah, in Knoxville. Yeah, hopefully I ride out that way too.
And I'm gonna try to get down to Wake today if they ever get a date, a place where they
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting on too. We had the room booked and everything. They had to change it.
Yeah. When I went to Slam back in June, and I was waiting to go to Wake today in October, and I found out that they changed. So I was like,
yeah, they had made some changes on it, so we got to find a new spot.
But yeah, there's another show in Alabama. It's in Mobile, Alabama, in August.
Yeah, let me know. I know I'm trying to go to HS Power, and I want to go to Sundown in August too. So
it's Jasper, Alabama.
It's Jasper right there, almost over a little bit over the line. Yeah.
Jasper, Alabama. It's August.
What part of Tennessee you driving from over there?
Scottsdale.
Oh, you ain't that far from me then, huh? Oh no, it's probably about an hour or so. I guess something like that.
Where at?
I'm in Jackson.
Yeah. About 45 minutes.
Yeah, ain't that far. Yeah. Yeah, you know, we got to travel. We don't have too many shows around the way.
We're trying to get a show set up in Jackson.
There's a lot of places for it down there.
Well, my boy that owns Blue Auto.
Eric.
Yeah, Eric.
Yep.
We're trying to get a show set up at his place.
At the stop? Let they allow it? It's a stretch out.
If he can get the permit.
That's the main thing. Once you get the permit, ain't nothing nobody else can say.
That and Joseph. He's trying to figure out a show.
Joseph Ferguson. Yeah, I know Joseph.
He's trying to get a place set up.
I thought that was him. I didn't look familiar. That's him, yeah.
But yeah, I still got your stickers on each side of the blazer from down there at Cedar Grove.
I appreciate it, man.
I've been watching the videos from down there at Cedar Grove. I was like, I see my blazer there.
Yeah. It wasn't many of us out there, but we made it a good time though.
Yeah, I had them 2 Get Loud Audio 15s in here then. And
oh, so you didn't have used at the time. You didn't have 2 you had to Get Loud. Yeah, I remember he just started that one.
And I just started in this one when I got it. Didn't have the lithium in here, didn't have the alternator.
You were running off of stock, wasn't you? I remember you said that, yeah.
I was dropping volts bad.
But yeah, you were playing. I remember that. But let them know they can find you on social media.
I don't have one right now. I've got to get one set up.
Okay, I'm sure I tag Joseph and everybody. Appreciate it, bro. Good seeing you, man. Yeah, we'll keep in touch.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.